What's up, everyone? So, this stream might be a long one. I honestly have no idea how long it's going to be, but basically, I have nothing to do tonight and I'm bored and I want to get better at trading. So, I'm going to be back testing for maybe a long time, maybe not. Maybe I'll split it up into a whole bunch of different sections. I don't really know. I'm just kind of here. We're just going to back test. So, if you guys enjoy this content, just, leave a like, subscribe, that kind of stuff. But yeah, just chill, watch for as little or as long as you want. I'm gonna be listening to music, so if you guys want to listen to music on your own, I highly recommend doing that because I can't really play music live and then I get copyrighted. But yeah, this should be a chill stream. So let's go ahead and get started and check out price action for the day and then as well for the week. So with that, let's actually restart TradingView here. And yeah, I'm going to play my music. So let's get going. So I don't know why my normal layout wasn't showing up. It's kind of weird, but we'll see. There we go. So yeah, let's just start looking at the day. So I guess let's start with New York session, right? We had market open right here. And honestly, guys, there very well could have been a low time frame opportunity here because one thing I missed right after the market opened is I should have had this 730 level marked out because 730, obviously that was a possible target and that should have been at least marked out on my chart. I don't know if I had it marked out, but in hindsight, right, we came down, perfectly came swept 730, which is our true open, and then we expanded higher. So a trade we could look for off of this. Yo, what up, everyone? What up, Kirk? What up, Ethan? Yeah, so just to recap what I said at the beginning of the stream, for those who are just now joining, I don't know how long this is going to be. I have literally no plans tonight, nothing to do, and I just want to get better at trading. So this could end up being a long stream. Watch as little or as long as you want. I'm going to be listening to music, so highly recommend you guys do that as well. I can't play music live because then I'll get copyrighted, but highly recommend listening to music. And with that, guys, yeah, let's go ahead, keep going. So yeah, 7:30. Here we go. So right after market open, we perfectly came down, took out 7:30, and honestly, there might have been a trade back to the upside right as soon as market came out on the lower time frame. And most people probably would not see this, but I want to look at it. Skipping this song. Yeah, I'm wondering if there's like a 5 minute gap and then 30-second change in state, something like that. Yeah, we had a 5 minute gap here. It's actually a BPR. So this is very obvious, right? 5 minute BPR in discount, and the 730 true open is sitting right above it. We could have easily anticipated the market to possibly dip down into this. So 5 minute BPR, 730. And yeah, let's go back down to the 30-second. Yeah, there was no obvious 30-second change in state here. So maybe we could just use, what do you guys think? I mean, this is a pretty obvious 1 minute gap. So there's a 15-minute inversion back up, but once again, guys, I don't know. I don't know if that was that obvious. What are you guys thinking right now? All right, no one said anything. So I guess I can just say whatever I want here. Obviously. I'm trying to think of what opportunity there was here, because I think that there was opportunity. I really do. Right? We swept out these lows. Let's actually bring this down one more. Maybe it's not so obvious as I'm thinking, guys. I guess, yeah, the first trade I'm really seeing is the one that I took, right? We had that 15-minute gap, 1 minute change and stay off of it. And, you know, obviously I took that. Um, Yeah, I took the most obvious trade there was today, I'm not gonna lie. And then, besides this one was even better. And obviously, you know, I called this out live. I tape read it. I said, guys, this is really nice and this is probably going to work. This 1 minute inversion back down. Um, and, you know, I should have definitely taken that one. I don't know. My bias definitely should have been. I should have been at this point once we had this accumulation and then we delivered from this gap. I should have definitely had conviction in this setup, honestly. But you know, it's hard. Okay, let's start looking at that. Actually, let's start there. So 7:30, and I'm gonna readjust because I'm not comfortable. 7:30 was we're above 7:30. We're above 9:22, right? We're above, so 9:22, guys. It's a key time because it's the true open for the 90-minute cycle, right? Or I guess it's the 22-minute. I don't know, whichever one you want to call it. So we're above 9:22. We're above midnight, which was all the way down here. Then let's get rid of these. Man, I'm trying to get comfortable, but it's kind of hard. Maybe I should just go to my computer. Yeah, let's just do that. Sorry, guys. This is going to take a second. I'm going to go over to my computer here. Alright. Yeah, guys, this stream, it's probably going to be pretty long, so stay for as little or as long as you want. Okay, I might actually need to restart the stream. Yeah, guys, we need to restart the stream because I need